Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PayPal account is limited. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Resolution Center. This is where PayPal will clearly outline the specific reasons for your account's limitation. Understanding these reasons is the crucial first step. You'll find a list of actions you need to take, which typically involves providing certain documents or information to verify your identity or recent transactions. Follow these instructions carefully to begin the resolution process. Once you're in the Resolution Center, PayPal will often request specific documents. This commonly includes uploading a clear copy of a government-issued identification, such as your driver's license or passport. You might also need to provide proof of address, like a recent utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months. For business accounts, financial statements or invoices related to your transactions may be required. Ensure all documents are legible and match your account details exactly to avoid delays. Sometimes, limitations arise from unusual account activity or large transactions. Be prepared to explain the nature of these transactions, providing details like purchase receipts or shipping information for items sold. If the limitation is due to a discrepancy in your account information, update your personal or business details to ensure they are accurate and current. Providing clear, concise explanations and supporting evidence is key to demonstrating compliance and resolving the issue efficiently with PayPal's review team. After submitting all requested information, regularly check your PayPal Resolution Center for updates on your case. PayPal typically reviews documents within a few business days, but it can sometimes take longer. If you haven't heard back or need clarification, don't hesitate to contact PayPal customer service directly. To prevent future limitations, always keep your account information updated. Avoid suspicious activities, and adhere to PayPal's user agreement. Proactive management helps maintain a healthy, unrestricted account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.